We know that yesterday Guinness and FBN were one of the biggest movers in yesterday's session, but it seems today that the banks are definitely under the spotlight. We've had a spate of earnings out today.
Yeah, hi, Eleni, thanks for having me. Yeah, like you said, the market actually started a downturn from yesterday and it actually pushed higher into the market today. We actually see a couple of banking sectors actually among the losers, on the losers side today. Huge number of losers we had in the market today, 38. Gainers were just 14. Like you said, the market closed at 1.26 percentage point down. From start of the week to today, we've had a downward decline in the market of about 1.5%. I think it's just a matter of people taking in stock of as the earning reports actually come in for Q3.
Exactly, we've been seeing quite a few results coming through. I mean, we had Dangote Cement with Nigeria, Unity Bank as well. So do you think that most investors are basically going to be looking out for these earnings and looking at the numbers? Do you think that most of the earnings have been priced in, or do you think we could see some surprises?
Well, I guess expectation for Q3 is actually a bit muted, really. So the major driver will be if you see figures actually different from what the expectation is. That's when you might see some huge movement in the market. On both sides, investors would actually be waiting to see exactly what the figures turn out to be for Q3.
Nwabueze, touching on the currency, we have seen the Naira strengthening today. In fact, the US dollar is down 0.3% against the Naira. How do you see that playing out going forward? It seems that we did see a bit of demand coming through for local currency from some of the energy stocks and, of course, these firms selling out from the greenback. Nwabueze? Nwabueze? Yeah.
Eleni, just to get a bit on that question,
yes.
On the currency front, from your voice actually trade off, but on the currency front, we're actually seeing some bit of strengthening coming into the Naira. We've actually seen like a 70% drop in demand from the CBN window. We're seeing some oil companies coming. All those factors have come into play and actually pushed like Naira on a 0.5% appreciation from the start of the trading week up to the close of today's session. Those are positive factors that are coming to the market, and that's actually been a major driver on the strength of the Naira. Coupled with the fact, I would say the major driver was the fact that the demand at the central bank window for the bi-weekly auction actually reduced by 17%, like I said.